Go, come on. Go, Emma. Go, Emma. Go, Emma.
Bounce it off a dog's bottom.
Mulligan.
No, it's Peter's turn.
Mulligan.
Peter's turn. Alright, buddy. Get in there. Show your sister up.
Get her. Get her. That was good. That was Nathaniel. I saw that.
Very careful, you.
Too bad, so sad. You're like, I'm gonna run across the
You're not TV. No, no. You gotta play with the little guy. Ow. Whoa.
Right?
Yes, it's good.
It's pretty slobbery.
So, miss.
Oh.
No.
Yeah.
Got a second wind.
He's playing in the mud.
Hey, Mark. Hello. 3-point bonus there in the middle.
Into the center.
It's only another half a point.
But look it! It's right there! Dad! It's a cheat! It's a cheat!
Yeah, there you go, Casey. Get him. Get him, Casey.
11, 12.
Get him.
Look it! Get it! Where is it? This thing is 3 points. This is only one point. This is 200 points.
Get him. Get him, Casey.
Don't go by me.
Whose turn is it?
Back up, buddy.
It's the boy's turn. Who's after me, Peter?
I am.
Oh, Daddy.
Sorry, it's taping the frolicking
Oh, that's
and the ear eating.
We'll wait for stuff.
We're at 14.
We can practice, Peter. Eat it. Oh. That was good.
Wait a minute. This is called a cheat. We gotta go back.
So now what is it? It's 11, 12, 13, 14 to 10.
I know. I'm gonna spray this all over your knee. Get it right on the middle. Then I'm gonna spray all this sand on your knee.
Peter.
No, you're not, because you love me.
Yeah. Okay.
B, T,
Legs is all brown or black.
Don't put up with that, Casey. Get him. Knock him down. Knock him down. Why do you go for the ears, Otto?
Easy
Go
pickings.
bully.
Chewy. Get that neck fat.
Hey, it's in
Yeah, there you go. Knock him down.
Good girl.
There you go.
Good girl, Casey.
There you go. Get
Teach
him.
him a lesson.
We'll probably stay out here for a while.
Get him. Knock him down.
Oh.
We're 14-10.
Oh, Casey. Hey, Casey's getting
So I got a 3 points.
Otto's on his back.
It is
Lori.
Mark's turn.
Lori.
Get it, Casey.
I was like, okay, I've been taught a lesson now.
Now she's letting him know. Get him. Get him, Casey. Get him, Casey.
Peter, you blocked his move. Oh, there you go, Otto.
Get in there, here.
She's so gentle. Lori, what was this words you were saying this morning about something about a dog needing a bath? Or it's hard to tell if he's dirty. He's kind of the color of dirt.
Fight against the big dog. Get that dog!
Are they pretty? Am I wearing the pink ones today? I can't remember. Are they pink or purple today? Oh, okay. Well, I need some. Otto, are you having the best time of your life? Your short 9 weeks on this earth? Peter, throw it! Throw it! Throw it, Pete! Throw it, Pete! That's my sports playing son. So proud!
Puppy, get him! Get him, Case! Uh-oh. Lay down in the mud. Oh.
Otto, you look whooped.
This is not it is a gun.
Yeah, I need to seal it now.
Do not bite this. It's wood. Okay, are we going to
Anna, do your best and kick over. Show the stuff right here.
No! Take mine. It can shoot you.
I think Boo Boo wants to come over and play.
Boo Boo?
Boo Boo. That little yippy dog.
See that? It's his car.
Hey, Boo Boo.
Daniel,
Yo.
can Casey this is a gun?
Hi.
I don't understand.
Hi.
Maybe that's a stick.
Does that smell good?
What happened to the bolt?
You wanted to be in the
I'm
sprinkler
not. As she
anyway.
walks closer.
Hey, dirty
How
boy.
about you get wet? You can't go tonight.
She's got to change clothes anyway.
Yeah, I got change clothes.
All right, hose her down. Start at the head.
Down. Ah!
Look at her face.
Do it again.
Make it look like she wet her pants.
Emma!
Oh, Emma!
Honey, the restroom is inside.
Don't pee in your pants.
That, or at least go to the tree. Come on.
Chicken.
Oh, that's a cold, wet dog. Rubbed up against me. Look at her. Coming to the ground.
What are you doing, little man? Hey, Otto!